fast. Last night I cut the light off in my bedroom, hit the switch, was in the bed before the room was dark.
Incredible.
Fast.
Incredible.
Hey everyone, as always, I hope you're doing awesome wherever you are. This is another nighttime video. I just got finished doing the dips as part of the dip bar challenge that I started recently. And a couple days ago, after posting that video, I got a comment to my email box asking, what does doing dips have to do with jumping rope? And I said, absolutely nothing, but also absolutely everything. Tonight, for example, as you can tell, it's quite late. Did I want to come out and do these dips? No, but it's about building discipline. This challenge isn't so much about physical composition or health, but more so discipline. And how does that relate to jumping rope? Well, when I do over 300 double unders, I'm tired, but it's this that gets me through it. I just keep pushing myself that little bit more. If I'm jumping rope for over an hour straight, am I tired? Yes. Again, it's this discipline, the mental fortitude that gets you through such challenges. So when I'm coming out here and I'm doing these dips, even at night like this, I'm doing them just for the sake of doing them, for building discipline reps, and that carries over into jumping rope and to other areas of your life.